I'm Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And this is our last installment in a three-part series of how a metal roof builds value to your home. And today we have a special guest for you. We have Glenn from Boral Steel, and he's going to give us his insights on how a metal roof can add investment value to your home. Well, one of the first questions that we get is, why would I buy a metal roof or a stone-coated roof over an asphalt roof?
So in my experience, the longevity is the number one thing. So actual longevity, you get roughly around 50 years out of this product. Where on an asphalt shingle, 13, maybe 18, unless you get held out.
Yeah. And then sometimes it's 2 days.
We've experienced that.
So you get a nice, beautiful roof that's going to last for a long time. And what that means to a homeowner is if you sell your house, when the roof is a week old or 11 years and a week old, it's going to look the same today as it did then, as it will 10 years from now. And so you don't have to worry about that freeze thaw and the deterioration of the panel that you would get with really any other kind of roofing product. What's another value, like in the utility savings?
So the way we install this is on a batting system or a cross batting system, and what we can do is decrease the heat going into the attic, roughly up around 40, maybe even 45% less heat going into the attic, and that calculates in energy savings.
Yeah, and so we have, about 40 years of data, and that can be anywhere from 10 to 15% savings on your utility bills. And
Absolutely.
If you add that up over time, actually you've almost earned more than the roof cost just in utility savings. Another good investment value of the stone-coated steel is the curb appeal, which we talked about in the first segment, the before and afters. What do you see when a neighborhood goes to a stone-coated steel roof?
So what I see in the market is when they go to resell it. That's what I see the most, because I'll get a phone call and say, well, is the warranty still good? Absolutely. This thing has a 50-year warranty and it's fully transferable. Not only that, the first 20 years we cover parts and labor. So what does that do for your company?
Yeah.
It's amazing. So the curb appeal and the many colors and styles that we have out there, you can see right here that we have plenty of different things that you can pretty much do whatever you want to on your roof on colors and profiles.
So thank you for joining us for this episode of How to Build Value. Your stone-coated roof gives you curb appeal, it's maintenance free, it's long lasting, it has a transferable warranty. We have a great partnership with the Boral manufacturer. They stand behind their products, so you know it's going to be a solid product and it's going to add years of beauty to your home.
And we thank you again for having us out today.
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
So invest now, metal up with a metal roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.